proceed to our lesson, let us have first a review. So, babalikan po natin ang ating mga napag-aralan nung tayo po ay nasa elementary pa lamang. Okay, so we have real numbers. Are numbers that can be found on the number line. This includes both rational and irrational numbers. Also, we have rational numbers are those numbers that can be expressed as ratio between two integers. We have the natural numbers are the number used in counting things. Thus, they are also called counting numbers. So, the set of natural numbers is denoted by set n is an element of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Kung mapapansin po natin, meron po tatlong dots dyan. Ibig sabihin, hindi lamang po nagtatapos kay 5. So, meaning, continuous siya. So, pwedeng maging 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, we have also the whole numbers are the union of set of natural numbers and the number 0. So, the set of whole number is denoted by set W is element of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Now, let us have the introduction of topic, and we're going to give the definition of the sets. Okay, so we have here an example. Let us consider the following example here. So, as you have observed, the example usually came with the groups, diba? And these groups may also called sets. So, a set is any group or collection of objects, people, or places. So, as you can see po, no, a group of students in the school, a bundle of books in the library, a row of chairs in the classroom, and the last example is a kit of school supplies in your bag. Okay? So, the members of a given set are called elements. A set is well defined if it can be determined whether a given elements belong to the sets or not. Okay. So, we have here example. Which of the following sets are well defined? Because we have different sets na hindi po lahat well defined. Okay, just like itong example natin, we have 1 and 2. The set of delicious menus in the cafeteria. Okay, well defined po ba siya or not? The set of classroom. The set of rules in Casarinlan High School. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. So, number 1, the set is not well defined. Bakit? Diba? Okay, because there are varied set of menus in the cafeteria or canteen. Yes, tama naman po. We have different menus. Ano-ano po ba yung makikita rin sa canteen o sa cafeteria? We have mga hot food. We have mga pasta. Okay, and each person has own standard of taste. Okay, why? Ano yung pinagbasihan natin dito? Kasi po ang bawat tao or individual or students na nandoon sa cafeteria ay may kanya-kanya talaga yan na taste. Okay, so hindi natin masasabi na it is yung mga menus na nandun po sa cafeteria is delicious. Because of this word, ayan, na-identify na itong set na to is not well-defined. Okay? So, how about number 2? The set of rules in Casarinlan High School. Yes, it is a well-defined set because each school has a set of rules. Okay? Next, we have the notation and description of sets. So, we have three description of sets. We have number 1. We are going to discuss number 1, the roster notation or listing method. Okay, so ano po ba ito? So, this method describing a set by listing each element of the set inside the braces. And each distinct element is listed once, and order of the element does not matter. Okay, so we have the example here. Write its set described below in roster form. So, ibig sabihin, itong example A, gagawin po natin siyang in a roster form or listing method. So, letter A, Set B is consists of first 5 letters of the English alphabet. Okay, so ano kaya magiging answers natin dito? Ayan. So, ito na po yung ating sagot, no? Set B is a set of A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so napansin niyo po kanina, the listing method or the roster notation, each element of the set are inside in the braces. Okay, so ito po ang braces. Okay, so dyan po natin ilalagay yung mga elements. Okay, and napapansin din po natin na ang bawat element po ay nakasulat sila ng naka-small letter. While yung name ng set natin is naka-capital letter. Okay, so example number letter B. Set B consists of all the even numbers. Okay, can you give me an example of even numbers? Okay, so yan. And this is our example of even numbers. No? B is a set X is a element of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So, meaning, hindi lamang po siya kay 10 nag-stop. Pwede pa siyang madugtungan ng 12, 14, 16, 18, at marami pa pong even numbers. Because, why? Ano po napansin natin sa ating given? Set X is consists of from the word all. Meaning, madami o lahat. Dahil hindi naman natin kayang isulat lahat ng even numbers, so maglalagay tayo ng ellipsis dito o yung 3 dots. Yan. Ibig sabihin, continuous siya, wala siyang katapusan. Okay? Next. Also, number 2, notation and use of the sets, we have number 2, the verbal description method. Ano naman po itong description method? It is a method of describing a set words. Okay, so example, write each given set in descriptive form. For example, we have the given A, set M is the element of apple, mango, grapes, banana, watermelon. So, descriptive. So, parang dinidescribe mo kung ano po yung nasa loob ng isang sets. Ano po yung elements na nasa set M. Okay? And, correct. Ang ating set M is a set of different fruits. Okay? So, ganyan po siya mag-describe. No? Ganyan po ang verbal description method. Set M is a set of different fruits. Okay? Kasi ang mga example natin is apple, mango, grapes, banana, watermelon. Okay. Next example, set G is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So, ano-ano kaya ito? So, are you familiar with the numbers? Okay, very good. So, set G is a set of all counting numbers. So, they are counting numbers. So, you start with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and continuous po yung ating numbers, no? Okay, so, yan. And the last notation and description of sets, we have the set builder notation. So, it is a method that lists the rules that determine whether an object is an element of the set rather than the actual elements. Okay. So, we have the example 3. Write each given set and set builder notation. So, we have 2 example here. So, number 1, letter A example is set J is a set of M-A-T-H-E-I-C-S. So, are you familiar with the letters? Meron ba kayong naaalalang words na nagdi-describe dito? Okay, so letter B naman, we have set A is a elements of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Also, are you familiar with the numbers? Ano kaya itong numbers na to? Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so we have A o set J is paano siya babasahin? Is a set of all X such that is a letter in the word mathematics. Diba? So, yung M-A-T-H-E-I-C-S ay mga letter siya sa word na mathematics. Okay. Set A. Set A is a set of all x such that x is an even number less than 10. Okay. So, bakit siya less than 10? Kasi wala na po siyang tatlong dot, no? Meaning, hanggang kay 8 lang siya. And itong mga number na to, ay ito yung mga even number na mabababa sa 10. Okay? So, ano po ba yung mga symbol na nakita natin? So, the vertical bar, so this is the vertical bar, after the first x, so this after the first x, is translated as such that. So, babasahin po natin siyang such that. Okay, so paano na siya babasahin? Set J is a set of all x such that is letter in the word mathematics. Okay, did you get it? Okay, so ba sobrang dali lang kung ano po yung mga notation and description of sets, 'di ba? Sobrang dali lang, 'di ba? Okay, so next, yan. Let's go to sa subsets. So, consider the following sets, no? So, we have set A and set B. Set A is element of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By inspection, ano po napapansin natin? You can see that 3 is an element of A. Correct? O, it is read as 3 is an element of A. 3 is an element of B. Read as 3 is an element of B. Similarly, that 3 is an element of A and 9 is an element of A and 9 is element of B. You will observe that every element in set A, so na-observe natin na lahat ng element in set A is also contained in set B. Tama po ba? Kasi yung 1 nandito, yung 3 is also element of B, 5 is also element of B, 7 is also an element of B, and 9 is an also element of B. Okay, so when a set is contained in another set B, therefore, you can say that A is a subset of B. Now, so alam niyo na kung ang ibig sabihin ng subset. Okay, so example, or the definition of subset. Set A is a subset of B written as this symbol if and only if every element in A is also an element in B. Okay, example. So list all possible subset following sets. Okay, so we have number 1, set R is 1, 2, 3. So, kukunin po natin lahat ng possible subset ng set R. So, we have the null set. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, these are the possible subset of this given set R is a set of 1, 2, 3. Okay. What else? Sample number 2. List all possible subsets of the following sets. Okay, so we have C is element of A, B, C, D. So we have, ito yung mga possible subset niya. Null set, we have A, B, C, D, AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD, ABC, ABD, BCD, CDA, ABCD. Okay? So, those are the possible subset of set C. Okay, we have the note. The empty sets, this is the empty sets here, is a subset of every set. Every set is a subset of itself. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, si MC set is included sa pag kinuha po natin yung mga possible subset of the given sets. Okay? Next, universal sets. A universal set is a set which contains all elements of other set. It is usually denoted by symbol U. And so, we have the universal set, we have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Our set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Our set B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set C is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So, example 1. Okay, you can notice that set U is the universal set because the elements of A, B, C are all contained in U. Okay, you can also say that A is a subset of U. This read as A is a subset of U. B is a subset of U. Is read as B is a subset of U. And C is a subset of U. Kasi lahat po ng elements ni A, ni B, at ni C ay nandito lahat kay universal sets. Okay? Next, we have the cardinality of sets. The cardinality of the set is the number of elements in the set. It is usually denoted as the cardinality of set S. So, dito sa cardinality is very easy kasi bibilangin lang po natin kung ilan ang element ng set na yon. So, example, determine the cardinality of the given set. Okay? So, we have set W is a set of all X such that is a month of the year. So, ngayon iisipin mo o enumerate mo kung ano ba yung mga months of the year. Diba? Okay? At ilan sila? So, the answer is, the cardinality of set W is 12. Because there are 12 months in a year. And ano po yung 12 months po? So, we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, the cardinality of set W is 12. Okay? And also, similar with this example number 2, set H is 3, 6, 9 to 24. We have 8. Why 8? Because there are 8 multiples of 3 from 3 to 24. And ano po ang mga multiples of 3? From 3 to 24, so we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay? And bilangin natin sila. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 po. We have 8. The cardinality of set S is 8. Right. Okay. And it is read as 8. The cardinality of set H is 8. Is read as the cardinality of set H is 8. So, ganun po siya babasa. Next, we have the union intersection of the sets. So, union of sets. Okay, let's focus on union. So, union of sets A and B, written as A union B, is a set of all elements which belong to A or B or to both A and B. So, dito, to get the union of two sets, we are going to combine the elements. Okay? So, given A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is 7, 8, 9, 10. You are going to combine to get the A union B. So, find A union B. So, the union of A and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, ganun lang po siya kadali, no? Pag samasamahin nyo lang po silang dalawa. Okay? Next. Example number 2. Given B, we have Set B is F, R, O, and T, yung kanyang element. And C, the elements are L, I, N, E, R. Find B union C. Okay, so dito, ano napapansin nyo sa bawat element? Meron dito elements na magkapareho. So, we have to get the union of B and C, we are going to write only once yung given element sa magkapareho. So, our answer will B union C is F, R, O, N, T, L, I, E. Okay. Oh, next. Okay, so notice that to name the elements of the union, the elements are written only once. Okay, so we have example number 3. Given A is H-E-L, while B is B-A-S, and C is O-N-E. So find the union of A, B, C. Okay, so the union of A, B, C is element of A, E, H, L, N, O, S. Okay, so ganon. So notice again that to name the elements of the union, the elements are written only once. Okay, so bawal po silang magdoble. Okay, so we have the intersections of two sets A and B. So written as A intersection B is a set of which consists of all elements common to both A and B. Example, we have if A is 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, and B is 2, 3, 5, find the intersection of set A and B. Okay? So, dito naman po, no, we are going to inspect or we are going to check, no, kung ano po yung number or elements rather na meron po si A and meron din po si B. All elements common to both A and B. Okay, so nakita nyo na po ba? So we have, meron silang common na elements 3, 3, and also 5, 5. Okay, and here our answer. Okay, the intersection of A and B, we have elements 3, 5. Therefore, 3 and 5 are the common elements in both sets. Okay, so did you get it? Yeah, very good. Okay, example number 2. If M is A, E, I, O, U, and set N is B, C, D, F, G. So, as yun, ano po napapansin natin? Meron po ba silang similar na element? Meron po bang elements both set M and N? Okay, so wala po tayo nakikitang elements, no? So, ano po ang possible na isasagot natin kapag wala? Okay, so we have the intersection of A and M ay isusulat po natin silang empty set or null set. You are going to choose kung ano pong symbol ang iyong gagamitin. So, ito po ba the braces, the open and close braces, or this symbol? Okay, so pwede kang mamili dito. Because, in our given, there is no common element in both A and B. So, hindi po natin sila isusulatan ng 0 kapag wala tayong nakita. No, do not write 0 because 0 is a part or example of number. Okay? So, ito lamang pong symbol ang pwede natin gamitin just in case wala tayong makuha o wala silang intersection sa given sets na yon. Okay? Next. Example number 3. We have 3 sets. We have set X, set Y, and set Z. So, set X, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Set Y is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And set Z is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, find the intersection of x, y, z. So, ano yung elements na meron kay x, meron kay y, and also meron kay z. Hindi pwede na meron kay x, meron kay y, pero wala kay z. Dapat yung elements po na kukunin natin ay yung meron po sa kanilang tatlo. Okay? At alam nyo na yung sagot, di ba? So, we have 3. Okay, the intersection of x, y, z is 3. Set of elements which are common to both set x, set y, and zz is 3. Very good. Okay. Next. Okay, so we have the last topic in our quarter 1, week 1, introduction of sets. So we have the difference of two sets. Okay, so we have the difference of set B and set B. It is written A minus B. It is a set of all elements in A that are not in B. Please take note, if we are going to get A minus B, dapat yung mga elements lang na nakay A na wala kay B. Okay. So, for example, we have let P is A, B, C, D, E, and Q is A, C, D, F, G. Find P minus Q. So, in these two sets, the elements A, C, D are found in both PQ, right? So, ACD, and ACD here in Q. So, may ayun po yung tatlong elements na meron si P and meron si Q. Okay. Since we are going to get or going to find P minus Q, so dito tayo titingin kay P. Tanggalin natin yung ACD, ano yung natira? So, P minus Q is BE. The set containing elements in P but not in P. Next, difference of two sets. Again, sample number 2, given R is 4, 5, 6, 7. And T is 1, 3, 5, 7. Find T minus R. So, ito naman tayo kay T titingin. So, ano yung pareho nilang dalawa? We have 5 and 7. So, 5 and 7, tanggalin si 5 and 7 kasi yung common sa kanilang dalawa. And, ang natira is 1, 3. So, the elements 5 and 7 are found both R and T. Thus, T minus R is 1, 3. Okay? The set containing elements in T but not in R. Okay. Last example, if x is natural numbers between 10 to 15, so may twist yung ating given. And y is even numbers between 12 and 20. So, find x minus y and y minus x. So, ngayon, we are going to get or we're going to identify ano yung natural numbers between 10 and 15. Ayan. So, let us balikan natin yung ating ni-review kanina about natural numbers. Diba, ang mga natural numbers is also counting numbers. Okay, so ano po ba ang numbers na pagitan ng 10 and 15? Okay, yes. So, we have set x is 11, 12, 13, 14. So, these are natural numbers between 10 and 15. And how about the even numbers between 12 and 20? Those numbers are 14, 16, and 18. Okay, so now meron na tayong given. Ang new given na po natin sa set X is 11, 12, 13, 14. And sa y is 14, 16, 18. So, ano kaya ang kanilang, what are the common elements? We have 14. So, in these two sets, only 14 found both x and y. So, thus, x minus y is 11, 12, 13. So, the set containing the elements in X but not in Y. Okay, so also Y minus X. So, Y minus X is, we have 16 and 18. So, 16 and 18 are elements, the set containing in elements in Y but not in X. Okay.